Some of the biggest breakthrough moments have been realizing how bad I have been at using my time wisely, I'll put it that way, because one of the things I learned is you can't manage time. So just not paying attention to the time that I have, not paying attention to the time that, that I waste or wasted. You know, whether I am bombarded with something outside that would normally sort of distract me and send me on a rabbit trail, you know, just kind of having some of the lessons that have learned through Small Law Firm University in my head have helped me to sort of stay on track. This is my first LQM since I've been a member. So far it's been great. I met 4 other members, and just to hear where they are, one of the members asked, hey, who's still doing client work? And no one but me. But I'm solo, so it's okay. I mean, I'll get to that point, but just hearing even some of the challenges and some of the things that they spoke about at lunch about not doing client work, the dangers of getting sucked into doing client work. What I'm most excited about is applying the lessons that we've learned in the first 2 sessions to my practice, because it's exactly where I am. Like, you know, getting my marketing, you know, in place and getting the machine going. This topic could not have been more timely. I would say to someone who is on the fence, it's a great community, it's a great place to learn and to grow no matter where you are. And so I would say jump in, the water's fine.